Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are discussing about Looker Studio, how it is connecting to the CSV data sources. So this is the currently we are in a home page in the Looker Studio. So if you click on here, so there is an option called Create. Here is the data source. So data sources we are going to connect. If you click on it, it will show you what are the data sources are available. So currently we are going to connect with the CSV file. Okay, if I go down here, yeah, so here is the file CSV. So if I click here, it will show you what kind of file you want to upload. So actually the data source is already available with me. So I created some kind of, some source data, and it will store it in my local machine. So if I click on here, it will upload the files. Yeah, here is the file. It's almost 15 MB. That data is available here. It's when it is updated. What kind of number of files we are presently we are uploading only one file. Okay, let's see. It's still in progressing. Yeah, now it's uploaded. So once it's uploaded, we can see here is the button is available. So if I click on connect button, it will show you the what are the fields are available. Let's take some more time. So here is a one file. What is the total size? Okay, so currently it is 100 MB. Yeah, here is the files. What are the files? What are the fields are available here? Okay, so currently the scope is it's reusable, and which is the credentials is my the owner credentials. So if you want to change it to the your credentials, there is a chance to lose access. Yes, since you people don't have access, right? And coming to the here, so the data refresh. So currently it's at 12 hours. So every 12 hours it will go and it will check the data. And coming to the committee isolation, which is access to the all, which is access to the all the people who are there in the field editing properties also it's on. So yeah, here you go. So here is if you want to create any additional fields, additional calculations, we can go ahead and we can create here like add group or pin or any calculations if you want, you can create here. And if you want to do some kind of dynamic, right, so in that case also we can go ahead and create some kind of parameters to do the dynamic part as well. If you want to filter the data by using email id, so if some people are they don't want to access some part of data, in that case we can provide with the based on the the mail id, we can provide access restrictions, data restrictions by using this email id. Okay, so here are the fields. So you can observe here the bottom line there is a matrix. It's automatically created. The record count, and coming to the other portions. So you can see here the data type, the which is a string. ABC means it will call it as a text or string. And coming to the distance, it's a completely number format. And the city, it's a geographical data, right? So that's why this is it is showing as a symbol. Whereas coming to the, it's a number, right? Again, it is aggregating the sum. Okay, here you go in the bottom, the latitude and longitude also. Yes, you can go ahead and you can change to the geo. Uh, just change them. Yes, go ahead and change this one as well. Okay, Okay, so by default, the Looker Studio, how it is assuming it's just showing as a numbering, right? So that's why it is aggregating. And if that scenario, we need to go ahead and we need to change we need to cross check each and every field, and we need to change the data types. So here is go. So we need to, if you want to create some report, you can go ahead and you can create from here. I will show you some sample report how you want to create. Okay. Will show my data connections. I can go ahead and add here. Yeah, here you go. So this is the record count automatically. It's created based on the ID. So if you want to go ahead and you can change city wise record counts here. Okay, so here is the code. So if you want to do the chart type also, you can go ahead and you can change like bar chart or something. Yeah, so this is about the, so how you connect to the CSV file to the Looker Studio. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about other topics. Thank you.